Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys a really cool 7x16 we just got in yesterday. This one's a 2019 Cargo Craft, again 7x16 in a silver blackout package. This one is insulated with windows, AC, and power. You do have a nice extended triple tube tongue here with this unit, and then the diamond plate rock guard all along the bottom, and you've got the V-nose guard, which is great for rock protection there. All full LED exterior running lights. Side door has a nice gutter, and you've got double lock protection there with the RV lock and cam bar. Again, this does have power, so you've got an exterior GFI outlet right there. Two 3,500 pound axles with brakes on all fours. You've got nice aluminum wheels with this unit as well, and a black diamond plate fender. Windows with this unit, we'll talk about those more in a second. Side vents, so you'll get a natural cross ventilation through the trailer, which is great if you guys are hauling anything with fuel. And then you also have stabilizer jacks up underneath that rear as well. Rear ramp door does have a spring assist close, so it's easy to open and close this rear ramp door. And then we also did two LED load light spotlights here off the back, so you guys will have some great load light at night. I'm gonna come around and show you guys this side. We got this hooked up to the lot Jeep right now. 7-foot interior height with this unit, so great for razors, UTVs, side-by-sides, and again, insulated walls and ceiling, and then you've got this beautiful white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. Super easy to take care of. We like it a lot. You can wipe it down, and like I said, it's very easy to take care of, very forgiving. 6 D-rings in the floor. We've got 2 here at the rear, 2 in the middle, and 2 up front, plus E-track in the walls. So great tie down points there. Light switch back here is to turn on these overhead spots, so you guys can drop that ramp door and immediately get some light. And then we've got 4 interior outlets, so 2 on this wall and 2 more kind of up front. Max Air roof vent here at the back that does have the bubble cover over it, so it won't leak water in on your stuff. You guys don't have to worry about closing it and ripping off the cover when you drive home. And then these are the 18x44 slider windows with screens. They are tinted. You guys can lock those, so they're good for privacy as well. 2 4-foot overhead LEDs. Now these are going to work and run off of your 30 amp service, which is right up here. You guys can take this cord, pop it through the floor, go into your generator or campground or wherever you guys are at, and that's going to power up the trailer in turn powering up your interior outlets. It's going to power up your AC unit with a heat strip, and then that's also going to run your 4-foot LEDs here as well, your puck lights and your backlights. So great way to get power to the trailer, and nice option to have, and you've got some climate control as well. Here's your light switches. One of these is for your puck lights, one of these is for the 4-foot LEDs. And then there's those 2 additional D-rings. So great overall trailer, 5,000 pound payload capacity. This one does measure 16 feet total length from the tip of the V to the back of the ramp. And again, 7-foot interior height. Give us a call. We'd love to earn your business if you guys are in the market for a new trailer. 303-688-8485, or check us out online anytime. ColoradoTrailersInc.com. We also have shipping options available for you guys. We ship all the time, so if you guys don't live near us, no worries. Call us. We'll get you a shipping quote as well. Again, 303-688-8485.